While stoves are a popular choice in many kitchens, high-end homes are frequently opting for separate cooktops and wall ovens that blend seamlessly with the kitchen and give a more custom look to your home. Single wall ovens are adequate for most people, and may add a bit more capacity and convenience to a range oven. Double wall ovens add a lot more capacity and allow you to cook different dishes at different temperatures. Which is the best wall oven for you depends on your needs, your budget, and the space you have available. Here are the best wall ovens to buy in 2020. Number 5, Samsung 30-inch single electric wall oven. The Samsung wall oven has steam cooking, so you can bake and roast with professional results. Steam Cook delivers moisture at precise times for a crisp, browned outside, and tender inside. Dual convection circulates air faster for more even and efficient cooking results. The 5.1 cu foot of capacity accommodates a roast, multiple casserole dishes, or several racks of cookies. Number 4, GE Profile 27-inch single electric smart wall oven. Your GE Profile 27-inch European convection single wall oven in stainless steel provides a full 4.3 cu foot capacity per oven for ample cooking space. GE Profile products offer the best in contemporary design matched with the latest in appliance technologies to transform the way you live. Sporting a bold, dramatic look and state-of-the-art features, this collection provides the perfect combination of style and innovation throughout your kitchen. Number 3. GE JK 3800 SHSS Combination Wall Oven. Prepare meals, reheat food, and more with this GE JK 3800 SHSS electric wall oven and microwave combination, which features glass touch controls for simple operation and spacious compartments for your dishes. The 16-inch turntable rotates for even cooking. Your 27, an electric wall oven with built-in microwave and stainless steel features glass touch electronic controls with a dial to help you quickly and easily set or adjust your oven. The lower oven also features 3 self-clean heavy-duty oven racks that can be configured in 6 positions. GE appliances provide up-to-date technology and exceptional quality to simplify the way you live. With a timeless appearance, this family of appliances is ideal for your family. And, coming from one of the most trusted names in America, you know that this entire selection of appliances is as advanced as it is practical. Number 2. GE 24-inch built-in gas oven. Feed your family meals prepared in this 24-inch GE gas oven. Its 2 racks can be placed in multiple positions to accommodate large containers, and the electronic controls make it simple to set time and temperature. This 2.7 cu-foot GE gas oven includes a bottom storage drawer to keep cookware handy. GE appliances provide up-to-date technology and exceptional quality to simplify the way you live. With a timeless appearance, this family of appliances is ideal for your family. This entire selection of appliances is as advanced as it is practical. Number 1. KitchenAid 30in. Enjoy delicious home-cooked meals with this wall oven, which features even heat convection for reduced cook times and consistent heating. The Satin Glide extension rack lets you handle heavy dishes with ease. KitchenAid's single wall oven with even heat true convection provides consistent heating and even cooking. A unique boat-shaped design and convection fan helps ensure there are no burnt edges or undercooked centers. The temperature probe delivers accurate measurement of internal temperatures of meats, poultry, and casseroles without opening the oven door for perfectly cooked food. The oven's bold design details are the perfect balance of elegance and functionality. Thank you for watching about Top 5 Best Wall Ovens in 2020. If you want to know about the best deal of these products, we have put a link in the description section below.